This mandates all officers abroad, PNP, DMW, DFA, to act as one team. Okay? Baka kasi kayo dito, baka pwede kayong kunin na police attaché. Okay? You report to the ambassador regarding the trafficking cases. Okay? So the private sector, these are the new lines of defenses. Kailangan natin ng private sector. Sa financial, yung mga bangko, yung mga hotel, yung mga passenger guest screening protocols nila, yung mga ISPs, yung kanilang content monitoring. So they can be penalized if they don't comply. 2 million or pwedeng criminal liability for allowing their facilities to be used for exploitation. So yung mga bangko, no, they are also needed para matrace natin saan galing ang pera, sino nagpadala. So, they have the duty to report suspicious transactions to the Anti-Money Laundering Council. So, this one, may isa pang batas dito, okay, under AMLA or the Anti-Money Laundering Act. But here, gagamitin din sila for tracing proceeds in relation to trafficking. Okay? That's their first duty. Kapag may suspicious transaction, kailangan nilang i-report sa AMLC. And they have to identify the money transfer, the money transfer centers must require valid government ID for all transactions.